Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Noori. I'm from Iran. I work as assistant professor in Shiraz Azad University. I am a geology graduate and I have 21 years of experience in the remote sensing field. I am currently taking a course in remote sensing. Please follow my channel, Remote Sense Geosciences. Thanks. This section we want talking about definition and introduction to remote sensing. Syllabus of this session. Number 1, definition of remote sensing. 2, the history of remote sensing. 3, remote sensing instruments. Number 4, kinds of remote sensing methods. 5, types of remote sensing studies. Number 6, applications of remote sensing. Number 1, definition of remote sensing. What's remote sensing? The science and art of identifying all the Earth's features using satellite image. Satellite image. Number 2, the history of remote sensing. This table is showing many milestones of history of remote sensing from 1800 to 1999. For example, 1972 launch Landsat or 1999 launch of Icons. Number 3, remote sensing instrument. This slide is showing RS instrument. A, source of energy as the sun or the satellite. B, EM waves or electromagnetic waves. C, environments. D, platform and sensor, for example, satellite. E, ground station or ground receiving station. F and G, users and softwares. Number 4, kinds of remote sensing methods based on sensor. We have two paths of remote sensing studies. On the left, passive remote sensing. On the right, active remote sensing. If electromagnetic waves produced with the sun, passive remote sensing, and if electromagnetic waves produced with satellite, active remote sensing studies. Number 5, types of remote sensing studies. We have two paths of remote sensing studies. Number 1, fundamental of remote sensing, and number 2, applied remote sensing. Fundamental of remote sensing. These studies deal with the basic and principle covering remote sensing. The most important topics are fundamental remote sensing. RS instruments, interaction between EM waves and different environments, introduction of remote sensing satellite, and their specifications, introduction of remote sensing sensor, introduction of satellite images, introduction of remote sensing softwares such as NV software or Geomatic software, and final preparation of satellite image for image processing. Number 6. Applied of remote sensing. 1. Identification and exploration of mining and hydrocarbon resources. Number 2. Environmental studies. Number 3. Site selection and feasibility studies. Number 4. Oceanography and meteorological studies. Number 5. Geohazard studies. Number 6. Agricultural studies. And number 5. Studies of other issues. For example, urban studies. This picture or this slide is showing number 1, identification and exploration of mining and hydrocarbon resources. Number 2, environmental studies. Below show the tornado. Tornado is scanned with satellite data, such as applied remote sensing. Number 3, site selection and feasibility study. For example, for factory, for mining and other area. Number 4, oceanography and meteorological studies. Number 5, geohazard studies. For example, determine of temperature of the earth or the ocean. Number 6, agricultural studies. This picture is showing crop type for all agricultural parcels in the Netherlands. Number 7, studies of other issues. For example, urban studies. And final slide of this session, a quick word image for urban studies. Many thanks for your attention.